The Pippa and Theo show done.
Hey, welcome to part 2 of making stained glass art. If you don't know who I am, I'm Pippa.
And I'm Theo.
If you're just tuning in, make sure to check out part 1 of making sidewalk chalk paint. But anyway, the first step of making stained glass art is to pick out a shape. You can choose any shape.
But our shape is a diamond.
Step 2 is to
Outline.
the shape in tape. You can make it as big as you want.
I got the tape. Let's get started. Welcome back, guys. We got our diamond ready.
It kind of looks like a kite, but that's how we like it. Our next step is to put random lines around this shape. Let's get started.
We finished putting the lines in our diamond.
Just a heads up, this uses a lot of tape. We finished our roll. Now it's time to move on to paint. This is our first time trying sidewalk chalk paint, so we don't know how this is going to turn out.
I guess we'll find out together.
Let's go. Hi guys, we finished our diamond. We waited a little bit for the paint to dry. It dries pretty quickly. And if you have leftover paint,
You could make splatter out like this.
and now for the big reveal. Ta-da! Here's our finished diamond. We had fun today. I hope you did too. We have one favor to ask. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Bye! Hey guys.
Shake out your fingers.
Ready? Okay. Yeah.
Shake them out.
Okay.